He's showering up. That is how you know igbo men. They express love.
What's good, my people? Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one was about Crazeclown, who got married today to his beloved and beautiful wife. We all know Crazeclown is a comedian and a skit maker and content creator like Broda Shaggi, Syndytalker, Nastyblaq. For those of you who are very conversant with the Instagram skit maker, graced the occasion to support one of their own. Like, it became so wild that even Basketmouth was present at the event to show you how important this event was today. Well, he got married to his beloved wife, and the whole event was beautified in the Ishiagu attire. The green combination and Ishiagu with the red cap was something else. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share comments in the comment section. Your thoughts, your comments are highly
We're live here. There's a lot of praise going on there. My chair. Let's go to front.
They all partied there, had a wonderful time like never before at Crazeclown wedding, and it was an awesome experience there at the event. Basketmouth, Syndytalker, Elenu, name them. The list is unmetered, to mention here on the channel, and they all showed the great love, sense of love. Like I never knew this. I know Nigerian skit makers connect with themselves, try as much as possible, not just in the content level, to communicate with themselves, mingle with themselves, carry themselves along in the things they do, but also in events they come out for themselves. And today was one beautiful day that I confirmed the love, and I actually believe, or should I say I actually confirmed truly, that yes, they can actually stand out for themselves and come out for themselves to show that love and oneness together, not just in the industry but outside the industry. The event was filled with massive love. I'll be playing some of the highlights from the event when Broda Shaggi, Syndytalker, Nastyblaq and others were having this outside fun outside the inside party, and they were teasing each other about who will get married next and the rest of other. Like talking about who will get married next, we don't know which of them will actually get married, but Crazeclown is like the oldest among them when it comes to Instagram skit making, and it's not really a new thing him getting married. Anyway guys, without saying much, enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe.
I'm not playing with you, I'm not That is how you know igbo men. They express love with everything. Ladies and gentlemen,
outside,
Good. Now the drill. It's a drill.
All right.